You're not so healthy.
Something different every day. Do you get into arguments with like your parents over like healthy snacks and like unhealthy snacks?
Yeah,
all the time.
Every single day I decided to make a little chipping thing since my chipping was very dodgy on the golf course.
Yeah, and me and Coda were in a group and we were talking about, you know, how to be a bit more healthy and how to not get into arguments with your parents.
So we made a dice for parents who want their kids to eat more healthy. The kids will roll the dice and whatever it lands on, they'll know what they can eat.
1.5 centimetres?
Yeah, and there'll be 12 sides, 3 treats and 9 healthy ones.
Yeah, and then we'll do the other one with 8 sides, 2 treats and 6 healthy
That's a
ones.
good
Yeah,
idea.
that's
Yeah.
that's really good.
There are 12 sides on the dodecahedron. 9 of them are very healthy. 3 of them are more tasty, but slightly less healthy. And then Y comes up, which stands for yogurt, so then the kids can eat the yogurt.
Okay, very good. And why did you put in the 3 unhealthy ones?
Just so the kids, if it lands on something that's unhealthy, then they'll be happy. It's a little treat for them.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's see what we're going to eat today, guys. Who's going to take control?
Me, I will.
Fingers crossed.
What's that
AT.
for? Avocado on toast.
Avocado. You take that, would you?
Yeah, I take that.
Very good.
I got a cylinder and I put it down and I hollowed it out and I made a little flag as well with it.
When my kids want a snack, it's not always the healthy option they're looking for. With this dice, healthy options are made fun.
Let's see what I get on this new healthy eating dice. Carrot sticks, delicious.
Let's see what I get. Popcorn, my favourite.
Did you have any problems making the dice?
Yeah, so like when I first printed it out, it was like too small, and my writing, first it was like I was going to have it coming out, and it didn't really print like that, so then I made them bigger and I made the writing hollow, and it kind of turned out pretty good.
For my dice, it was a bit lopsided when we first printed it out, but when we printed out the second one, it turned out a lot better.
Yeah.